Good afternoon, Manufacturing All-Stars, and welcome to this episode of Manufacturing Happy Hour. Today, we're going to be talking about large contactors. I'm joined by IEC Contactor Product Manager Tony Hart. Cheers, Tony.
Cheers, Chris.
Welcome to the show.
Thanks.
Now, before we started, we were talking about how the applications that large contactors are used for have changed over the years. Can you go into that in a little more detail?
Yeah, we found that talking with various customers over the years that most customers today are not using standard across-the-line contactors to stop and start motors. They're using drives and soft starts to do that switching capabilities, and using the contactors as isolation or bypass.
Okay, and as that's happening with this next generation of large contactors, what do you say are some of the key differentiating features about them?
Well, there's two key features about the new line of contactors that we've come out with. Number one, it's a lot smaller than our old line of contactors. You can see probably a 50% panel space reduction on some of the sizes. And then the other key feature is the universal electronic coil, which is a lot more energy efficient, so you can reduce your power supplies or control transformers that are controlling them, and it gives off less heat, so that also allows you to shrink your overall panel size because you don't have to dissipate that heat.
Yeah, everything you're saying sounds like a much smaller panel than what it would have been before. Well, where can folks go to get more information from this?
Well, I think if you want to reduce your overall panel costs and you're using large contactors, go talk to your Allen Bradley distributor and get more information.
Awesome. Well, I'll have a link to the product profile below this as well. In the meantime, Tony, thanks so much for being on the show.
All right, thanks for having me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For the rest of you out there, stay innovative, stay thirsty, and we'll see you again here on Manufacturing Happy Hour real soon. Cheers.